international motorcycle shipping tips and considerations. In today's globalized world, motorcycle enthusiasts often find themselves relocating or needing to ship their beloved bikes to international destinations. Whether for personal reasons or participation in events, international motorcycle shipping plays a crucial role in ensuring that motorcycles reach their owners in different countries. International motorcycle shipping refers to transporting motorcycles from one country to another. It involves carefully handling, packaging, and transporting motorcycles to ensure their safe arrival at the designated destination. At Cheap Motorcycle Shipping, we specialize in providing reliable and efficient international motorcycle shipping services, catering to the unique needs of motorcycle owners worldwide. Ideal for faster shipping and urgent deliveries, air freight ensures swift transportation of motorcycles to their destination. This cost-effective option is suitable for shipping motorcycles to different countries, providing reliable and secure transportation via cargo ships. Refers to the transportation of motorcycles within the same country or region. It generally involves shorter distances and simpler logistics. Involves shipping motorcycles across borders and dealing with customs regulations, import duties, and international motorcycle shipping paperwork specific to each destination country. International shipping requires thorough planning and coordination to ensure a smooth process. Give us a call today at 888-230-9776.